Oh, I used to say I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you, Georgia.
Please subscribe or follow and like the video to support the channel. Thank you.